My name is Eoin, and today I'm going to be taking you through a simple step-by-step process to a disconnected mid-length razor cut. I started this haircut by assessing the fixed factors such as the hairline and the natural growth patterns. This helped me in reverse engineering the haircut and mapping out the zones and shapes I wanted to create. The look we're aiming to achieve here is dishevelled in its nature, with some loose and textured curtains to suit the character of my model and their request. I mapped out this haircut by splitting the hair down the middle and dividing the top into two sections. This was done to separate what would be the eventual curtains. I also took a triangular section through the crown, in which helps me keeping some shape through the rounding of the head. I began this haircut at the front hairline by taking a diagonal back section which was closer to the vertical axis to remove more weight and length internally. The idea here is to get rid of all the blonde through the sides, which will eventually highlight the disconnection that we're going to create through the top. I continued this sectioning pattern until I reached the middle point at the back of the head. I repeated the process on the left hand side. The only thing that changed was my hand position, finger angle and section angle. The horizontal shape that we're creating through the sides is round, so it's important to remember, keep moving around the head with each new section, taking each new section from the base. Once both sides crossed over, I then moved on to the little triangular section at the back. This section was held to avoid the haircut looking shapeless. I used over direction through this section to bring subsequent diagonal sections down to meet my graduation through the sides. Once I repeated this on both sides of that section, I then moved on to the top and started on the left hand panel of the apex. I made the top a very simple process. I wanted to keep the majority of the length to highlight the disconnection. Therefore, I used a slicing or channeling technique with the finger razor to create texture and movement, working from the back to the front. I then repeated the exact same process on the other side. And that's it. It's that simple. To finish, I scrunched a mixture of matte paste and serum into the hair. I put some styling clips in it to hold the hair in place, whilst I dried the sides first using the gentle air attachment on the Dyson Supersonic to keep the end result looking natural. I then used the diffuser to set the top. And when finished, I scrunched the hair into shape using some extra serum to bring out the style I wished to create. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you took something out of it. To watch more in-depth tutorials just like this, please browse through our resource library. Thank you.